How to hide Instagram posts from someone without blocking them. If any day you would like to do it but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Instagram application on your mobile device. You can find the very Instagram application by scrolling left or right or by searching the Instagram on your mobile device. After you find the very Instagram application, you have to tap on that, and after you tap on that, you can see that Instagram will be launched on your very mobile device. After Instagram is launched on your very mobile device, you have to go to the profile like icon on the down portion and then go to the option of the three lines on the top. After you tap on three lines on the top, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of the settings and privacy. After you move to the option of the settings and privacy, now you can see an interface like this. Now after you see an interface like this, you have to go to the next option, that is the option of the account center. Now after you tap on the option of the account center, you can see an interface like this. You can go to the option of the accounts there, or otherwise you can just scroll backward once again and then go to the option of the account privacy, or just you can go to the various person that are blocked there. And after that, you can also go to the next option, that is restricted, because after you tap on the option of restricted, if you do not want to block the person, what you can do is you can restrict the person. However, it does not completely just enable or disable the posting to the very person. However, by just restricting the accounts, you can just limit the various kind of interaction that you can do with a person. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.